In a coffee shop. Listen to a dialogue between a coffee shop cashier and a customer. Coffee shop cashier, next please. Hi. Can I take your order? Customer, yes. I would like 2 coffees, please. Coffee shop cashier, sure. Is that to stay or to go? Customer, to stay, please. Coffee shop cashier, what size coffee do you want? We have small, medium, large, and extra large. Customer, large, please. Coffee shop cashier, okay. Do you want a mug or a paper cup? Customer, mug, please. Coffee shop cashier, what kind of coffee do you want? Regular, latte, cappuccino, espresso, decaf, mocha. Customer, regular, please. Coffee shop cashier, sure. Cream or sugar? Customer, each with 2 creams and 1 sugar. Coffee shop cashier, anything else? We have donuts, muffins, and pastries. Customer, I'll have 2 chocolate donuts, please. Coffee shop cashier, okay, 2 large regular coffees in a mug, each with 2 creams and 1 sugar, with 2 chocolate donuts to stay. Customer, that's right. Coffee shop cashier, your total will be $10.49 with tax. Customer, sure. Here's my credit card. Coffee shop cashier, thanks. Have a good day. Customer, thanks. You too.